Tucked up on a hilltop and overlooking Elm Street in the industrial hum of commerce sits this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom in-town residence. This auction property is within walking distance to Main Street, Waupaca. Get yourself a record at Back to Vinyl or a beverage at the Granite Cellar. Foundry folks, this place is a snowball's toss from plant number 1. A spectacular investment opportunity, whether as a flip, for a first-time home buyer, or a rental. This property is big on potential. Brand new luxury vinyl plank installed in an open combined dining and living space with 3 bedrooms and a full bath upstairs. A lower level in-law quarters with a living room, another bedroom, and full bath. Private backyard lined with trees gives you the space to play on this 0.73 acre parcel. This property has been pre-inspected in order to support your bidder confidence. Our HiBid online-only auction will be running to a soft close at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time on August 26th. Please contact me, Jeff Dolsky, Auctioneer, or Lori Verhalen, listing broker, in order to get registered to bid on this HiBid auction. Bid early and bid often.